in Florence. The weather is nice. Not for long though. It's gonna be a thunderstorm today. All 3 days I'm here, thunderstorming. Today I made a mistake. I slept in a little bit. I should have got up earlier because food waits for no man. And today my goal is really simple. Walk around, look around, and eat as much as I can. All right, let's go, let's go. First stop, the Central Market. Lots of goods, fruits, vegetables, food. There's a particular place in here I gotta try. Let's go. This market is so clean and nice. This is the reason why I'm here. So what you do is you go to the cash register and you pay first and you order. They give you a ticket, and now I'm over here where they're making the sandwich. My sandwich, my lapridotto is being made. This is a very classic Florentine food item. It's a beef stomach sandwich, which is one of my favorite things. And they dip the bread into the broth. The green sauce I heard is awesome. And some chili sauce goes on top. Oh, so beautiful. Grazie. I had to get both sandwiches because getting one, that'd just be uncivilized. I am so incredibly excited for this. This is the beef sandwich. All that beautiful beef broth is soaked into the sandwich with a little chili and this juicy looking slices of beef. Oh man, this thing, you can easily pull this apart. And the other sandwich is the beef stomach. I love tripe with really tender pieces of tripe. Again, with the same sauce, same broth, cover that up. This is my most anticipated breakfast since coming to Italy. I gotta try the beef sandwich first. The love I feel for this sandwich is immeasurable. First of all, love this bread. It's toasty, perfect texture and thickness for the sandwich, and the beef. Look at this. You know this has been soaking in that stock for a long time. Each strand is just exuding the most beautiful beef flavor. It's not the most tender beef sandwich, and it's rather lean pieces of beef, but the chew you get from it will bring you immense beefy pleasure. And the genius is when they dip the bun into the beef stock. And with the beef stock, the bread turns into like a meal on its own. And the green sauce, I think, is some kind of herb sauce. There's some garlic in there as well. Perfectly balances the fattiness of the broth and the beef itself. For me, this is like Italy in a sandwich. When I got here, there's like no line, but now it's lunchtime or almost lunchtime, and people are queuing up. Now this is the reason I came here. The lapridotto tripe sandwich. All right, all right, tune down the hype, tune down the expectation. I like this better. Now, you guys know how much I love my beef, but I also love my tripe. The beef stomach here, zero funkiness. I mean, usually with tripe, you'll get a little bit of something. It's not that pleasant. Maybe a little aftertaste, but this is as clean as you can get. So tender and fatty. Great beefy flavor, slightly gelatinous, mixed with the garlic and the chili. This is really unbelievable. This is amazing. I'm like 100% a love at first bite moment. If you come here, I mean, get the beef sandwich, it's delicious as well, but this is on a whole different level. I think they dipped this a little deeper in broth for me. The bread is now just soaked in beef broth. That on its own, again, absolutely delicious. If you like tripe, this is a game changer. And it's sort of a messy sandwich. I got tripe falling off, probably have sauce over my face, but I don't mind looking silly with this beautiful thing. Ever. So for my lunch number 2, so for my second lunch, yeah, you need a second lunch. I'm going to a restaurant it's supposed to be a little place that's only open for lunch. Yeah, this is it. Trattoria Mario. This is supposed to be an amazing place. It looks it's been featured like everywhere. There's the menu written right there. And everybody you see here, it's not like they're sitting at a table because they came together. You just sit wherever there's space. And I'm sitting by this nice couple, Eduardo and Patty. They're from Seattle, one of my favorite cities. This is like sharing a table in Hong Kong, except for we actually talk to each other. It is nice company. Patty, you've been here before.
I've been here before.
And you're supposed to get the steak.
Definitely get the steak.
Okay.
We're gonna share.
Yeah, they're nice enough to let me have a taste of their steak because I had a huge steak yesterday. I don't know if I can order another one today. Oh, there's their steak. That is a massive one. Did you guys get a kilo?
Yeah.
That's a kilo. But I came here mainly for this. This is a famous Florence dish called ribollita. It's a bean soup. Supposedly must get when you come to Florence, and this place is one of the places that makes it the best. Also, and this is pasta with chianina. So this is the specialized Tuscany cattle meat that's made into a meat sauce on top of this pasta. Looks fantastic. This is the most amazing pasta I've ever had. Like, no joke. Just the most flavorful, perfectly cooked pasta. Little al dente, the meat sauce, mwah, 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 3 times. Every strand of pasta is just like touched by the sauce angel. This is the greatest thing. If I ask for the perfect bowl of pasta, it's not even all that complex of flavor. It's just so good and homey. Look at this. All the sauce grabbing onto each strand of pasta, just clamped down. This is definitely like in your face, a lot of flavor, very just aggressive, no frill pasta dish. This is Patty and Eduardo's steak. All right, let's see how it compares to yesterday. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is that the best steak you guys have?
Yeah.
It's definitely absolutely fantastic here. And if you come here, you should 100% get that. And get the pasta. Oh, that steak is good. Oh, let's try the bean soup. I just had 2 sandwiches, but right now, my appetite is back. I mean, game on. Oh, this bean soup is so smooth and creamy. I think the aftertaste of the bean soup is what I love the best. The soup is creamy, tomatoey, herby, but afterwards you just get that great flavor, great aftertaste in your mouth. It's so pleasant. It's so aromatic and fragrant. All right, you know what? They give you some bread, you gotta put it to use. That's what you should do. Also, everything is so affordable here. And line out the door, absolutely packed. People know what's good. And this place is really good. All right, that about wraps up second lunch. Hey, thanks for sharing a table and your steak with me, guys. Let's go to lunch number 3. Just kidding. Take a break. Today, I'm gonna go check out Duomo. Oh, the line. Oh, wow, that's a crazy line. Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness. That is a really long line. So instead of going there, let's go eat a sandwich. But I am coming back to this. I'm gonna go in probably tomorrow. I got a whole day here tomorrow, so probably do it then. Right now though, the sandwich shop's about to close, so we gotta get there. It's very important. Panini Toscani. They're supposed to be one of the best sandwich shops in Florence. They're supposed to make a mean panini. And this is a daily special.
So welcome. Welcome to everyone.
Thank you.
Only Toscani. We invite you to try.
Okay.
We give you a free sample just for you to understand which is the best ingredient for make your panini. Okay?
Fantastic.
So we start with the selection cheese, the big cheese, the red cheese selection. The first cheese I suggest you to try is Cacio Bono.
Cacio Bono.
Cacio Bono. Born here in the hills of Florence. Only 1 week of it.
1 week. Oh.
Number 2.
Oh, it's so
First,
milky.
and this cheese has a natural conservation.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
Amazing. Wow.
Very good. I'm happy. Number 3, Scodellato from Montalcino, from Chianti. Please.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. So, selection. Prosciutto Toscano, Tuscany ham. Toscano, old sheep Tuscany.
Wow.
Last one, and then we made your paninis.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The anticipation. This place is so awesome. Man, I can't do two meats, right? Two different combined?
No, I will do that.
You'll do that? Oh, it's so good. Thank you so much.
I take the bigger size.
Oh, you know me so well. Thank you so much. This sandwich is going on a little journey right now. All across the line. Oh, I love this place. That is just the prettiest panini. The meat, oh, so tender and succulent. Beautiful piece of cheese, tomatoes, arugula. This will make all of your panini dreams come true. This is the craziest sandwich. You got yourself a treasure cold. This, you know that moment in National Treasure where Nicolas Cage finds like all these scrolls and everything in a like a hidden chamber? That's how I feel every time I take a bite of this. Oh, this bread is just remarkable. It's crunchy on the outside, soft and airy. Goes perfect complement to the meat and cheese. But the chili, that's what makes the salami a little zestier. And this is a lot of meat. It may not look like it in ratio to the bread and cheese, but this is a perfect amount of meat for the sandwich. That tomato seriously made this better. Just a little nice, juicy, subtly sweet pop with the salty meat and cheese. It gives you just like a millisecond of relief so that every single bite you're taking, that's just pure harmony. From flavor to quality to value. Here in Florence, you gotta come here. And these guys are like the friendliest people ever, ever. Trattoria Casalinga. Luckily, I did get a seat. They said as long as I finish eating in like under 90 minutes, I can have this table. I can do that. So got a couple pasta dishes because their pasta is all homemade right here. And then for the main dish, because come on, pasta is not main dish here in Italy. That's what I love about this country. Pasta is just like an appetizer. And for the side dish, this is really interesting. For side dish, they recommended celery. Celery. Interested to see what that's like. Oh yes, there it is. Prosciutto and melon. So what I'm gonna do is take the prosciutto, beautiful by the way, and just mummify this thing, apparently. All right, so they just came by and told me you could just actually just kind of wrap the whole thing around one end of the cantaloupe and do it that way, but you know what? I'm okay with my mummified cantaloupe. This is so interesting to me. I thought this was kind of crazy when I saw it on the menu. They are absolutely polar opposites of each other. And I guess in the food world, two opposites makes a delicious. That almost creates sort of a intoxicating flavor because the cantaloupe, when it's really good cantaloupe, got this sweet, almost champagne-y taste to it. And the prosciutto is salty and so rich. When you combine that together, you first get hit by the salty flavor of the pork, then basically a waterfall of sweet nectar fills your mouth, which dissipates the saltiness and brings such a smooth, balanced flavor to your taste buds. That did its job. Delicious and made me hungrier for what's to come. Zucchini penne and dark meat sauce on egg noodles. Both of these pastas freshly made here. Gotta add some Parmesan cheese. Oh. Loaded on. So I'm gonna start off with the zucchini pasta. Eating fresh pasta here in Italy, that is absolutely dream come true. Perfect doneness on the pasta. Zucchini, such a mild flavor, slightly crispy texture. That is fresh zucchini. This is all veggie pasta, and I'm loving the heck out of this. It's refreshing, a little cheesy, exactly what you want out of a pasta and a relationship. Oh God, this is so good. Now the garganelli. There's so many different types of pasta in Italy. There's no way you can get through them all. And this is the first time I'm having garganelli. In every strand of pasta, it's just covered in this meat sauce. Well, it looks like just strands of beef. If this forkful of noodles is not giving you the feels, I don't know if we can really be friends. This is one of the most uniquely delicious plate of pasta I might have ever had in my life. There's bones in here from the beef. Welcome to the star of your beefy dreams. Little Twizzler type pasta. And what's genius about that is the meat sauce is just trapped in all those little spirally spaces in the pasta itself. So each bite you're taking, you not only have the meat sauce on the inside, you have chunks of beef on the inside. Oh my gosh, this city really knows beef. It's lean yet tender. The little bits of beef into your mouth, they kind of spread around, so you get some delicate beef flavor in every single chew. This thing is bold, it's hearty. It's almost like a beef stew on top of a pasta. And I'm telling you guys, if you're a beef lover, you will adore this. And when it comes to Italian food, I'm kind of stupid because I thought growing up that the Olive Garden was the best Italian food I've ever had. I mean, really Italians probably think of the Olive Garden and want to go throw up somewhere. I mean, going from the Olive Garden to quasi-good Italian food in New York to this, I don't know if I can go back. You know what might be really good? A little zucchini with the penne, all nice and light. Take that and journey over to Meatland. Now, personally, I think that's pretty good. Again, I am not letting this go to waste. Never, ever. Some of the greatest meat sauce ever. Final course, I got a roasted pork chop, and then they recommended the celery. Oh, that's great. It's got the nice celery flavor, and it's kind of creamy, not because there's any creamy here, but because it's just cooked like that. It's simple. I feel like just have a little salt in here and maybe some butter. That's really surprisingly good to me. All right, let's taste this pork. This is a massive, massive pork chop. That is a great piece of pork. The pork is so juicy.
Incredible music.
It's not the most tender piece of pork chop, but that porky flavor, it's so pronounced. Seasoning for this is fairly simple. A little olive oil, maybe some butter, salt, and pepper. But it's really about the pork itself. Chase it with some celery. That goes so well with the celery. And this, so much better than spinach. I am so surprised. I never had celery like this before. I bet this will go amazingly with a piece of steak too. Man, if some steakhouse in the US uses this instead of spinach, they're gonna win some fans. I'm gonna get a little handsy with the pork chop because right by the bones. Ooh, a little cartilage, a little tender right here. Couldn't have ended any better. Happy right now. Oh yeah, gotta end this meal with a tiramisu. Supposedly their tiramisu is awesome here. First time eating tiramisu in Italy. Don't think I can eat this anywhere else again. Guys, today was a fun day. I started eating in the morning, didn't stop until now, but everything I had today was remarkable. I think, I can't even pick a favorite. I think if I had to pick a favorite, I can't, okay? I love the striped sandwich. I love the pasta at Mario. I love the panini. Oh, I love that panini. And this restaurant is also off the hook. A good food day is a day when there's no bad food. And today was an excellent food day. What a lovely country. What a beautiful city. What delicious food. I'm so happy I came here. This is what I imagined Italy would be. This is beyond what I imagined Italy would be. So if you guys get a chance, definitely come here if you can. Again, by the time you guys are watching this, I'm no longer in Italy. If you want to follow along to see where I am in real time, make sure to follow my Instagram and my Twitter. Those are listed for you right here and in the description box below. As always, all the places I went to is listed for you as well down below. Thank you all so much for watching. Until we meet again, see you later.